Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Zoeller pump alarm is going off and won't stop, it's usually a warning that the water level inside the sump pit has risen higher than normal. That alarm is designed to grab your attention immediately, but even after the water level drops, many people notice the alarm continues or doesn't reset automatically. This can be stressful, especially if you're unsure whether the issue is still active or already resolved. In most cases, resetting the alarm is a simple process, but it needs to be done after confirming that the water level and pump operation are back to normal. Ignoring that step can cause the alarm to trigger again right away. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset your Zoeller pump alarm safely and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the sump pump has removed excess water from the pit. Step 2. Check that the float switch has returned to its normal position. Step 3. Locate the alarm unit and press the silence or reset button. Step 4. If needed, disconnect and reconnect power to the alarm system. Step 5. Check the backup battery inside the alarm unit. Step 6. Confirm the alarm is off and does not trigger again.